Hello friends, and welcome back to my kitchen table. We've just been having a bit of a week and it might turn into a bit of a month. And it's mostly just some family drama. That kind of drama just gets me mentally exhausted, and I don't have significant other around with me this weekend. I feel like I touch my face when I'm uncomfortable, kind of as a way to like hide myself. That might be a subconscious thing. I only minored in psychology, so there might be an actual logical reason behind that, but I'm not personally aware of it. So today's video is going to be me cleaning. And I feel like that's kind of what I need to do today to get my body moving and working and translate that into decluttering and clearing my mind of a lot of this negativity. And it's not necessarily negative thoughts or negative emotions, it's just an overwhelming sense of exhaustion. So hopefully by refreshing my environment, I will be able to come to a mental place of refreshment. Also, generally when significant other is not here, I take the pups to the park, and I believe getting some sunshine and fresh air will definitely help reinvigorate my mentality as well. So I just have to finish my coffee and the day will begin.
Are you excited to go to the park? Are we going to the park? Bear knows. He's curious. We've arrived at the dog park, and they either just realized that we're at the park or really hate Louis Capaldi. Mom, I want to go home. I'm good. Okay, so Bear liked Jonas Brothers, and Penny liked Guns N' Roses, but they didn't like each other's music. Apparently the happy medium is Linkin Park.
So something else that I noticed, we were supposed to change our air filters last week. So I'm gonna have to go stop by Home Depot or Walmart and pick up some air filters. So just letting you know a pro tip, everything looks better in boxes. For example, ta-da! And see how much more cluttered that looks now? And it's actually taking up more space on the counter because it just has more room to smush out. But if you put everything in a box, it looks all neat and organized. Yeah, I spent $18 at Kroger today, and I got all those goodies. So on my outing, I not only went to Lowe's, but I also went to Kroger's. But my haul from Lowe's, in my defense, I was allowed in there unsupervised. Look at my new little friends! I got a little guy, and he's got a little magnet right here so I can stick him on the side of my cubie. Right now he's on the refrigerator. And this little friend, look, he's got little skulls around him, and his skulls have little crowns. Oh, he's so cute and happy. I love him. Hopefully I don't kill him. Please comment down below where you think I should put him though, because I'm not entirely sure where best he would be happy. If he would be happy above my fireplace or on the kitchen table, I'm not entirely sure, but look how cute he is. This is your new home. You live with me now. This is not your blankies. These are baby Colby's blankies.
So I did clean, and that does feel pretty refreshing, especially since I'm melting some nice lavender scented wax, so that really smells nice. I feel like it's really helping reset my mind so that I'm not just dwelling on mental exhaustion. If anything else, I can look at what I've done and feel pretty accomplished because of that. And that's something that I know that I've had to work on in the past, was when I felt overwhelmed and whatnot, trying to make sure that I look back on my accomplishments and realize I have done things. So wise words right there. I'm feeling a lot better at this point, and pug snuggles definitely help. As you can see, we are repopulating the fluff that I vacuumed up earlier today. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Oh, I'm sorry, I stopped scratching you. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh.